Today we're zooming in on one of the most eye-catching plants you can grow, Red Velvet Coleus. It's bold, it's bright, and it looks like it came straight out of a fantasy movie. Let's explore where it comes from, how to care for it, and why it's such a superstar in the garden. Coleus plants originally come from tropical areas like Southeast Asia. That means they love warm weather and lots of moisture. The red velvet variety is special because it's deep red leaves that look almost like soft fabric, kind of like the fancy velvet you see on a royal cape. Red velvet coleus grows best in USDA zones 10 and 11. But don't worry, you can grow it almost anywhere as an annual, which means it lives for one season. If you live somewhere colder like zones 3 through 9, you can grow it outside in spring and summer or keep it inside as a houseplant. Now let's talk deadheading. This may sound strange, but coleus lovers usually grow it for its leaves, not its flowers. Sometimes it sends up little flower spikes, but here's the trick. Pinch off the flowers as soon as you see them. This is like telling the plant, hey, focus on your awesome leaves. Removing the flowers helps the plant stay bushy, colorful, and strong. It's a simple job that makes a big difference. Red velvet coleus can sometimes get powdery mildew, a white dusty looking fungus on the leaves. It usually shows up when the plant is crowded or the air is too damp. To help your coleus stay healthy, give it space to breathe, water the soil, not the leaves, remove any leaves that look dusty, and coleus is tough, so with a little help, it recovers quickly. Now let's talk about my favorite subject, propagation with coleus. Propagation means making new plants, and coleus makes this super easy. You can grow new red velvet coleus by cuttings. Snip off a piece of stem with a few leaves, put the stem in water, wait for roots to grow, usually just a week or two, and then plant it in soil. It's like magic, one plant becomes many. Red velvet coleus is a low-stress, high-reward plant. It loves shade or partial sun. Too much sun fades its color. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Pinch the tips of the stems to keep it full and bushy. It grows great in pots, hanging baskets, or garden beds. This plant is basically saying, if you give me a comfy spot, I'll look fabulous all season long. And here's some fun facts. Coleus leaves come in almost every color: red, pink, green, yellow, purple, even neon. The red velvet variety is most famous for its rich velvety texture. Coleus used to be called painted nettle, even though it's not a nettle at all. You can grow a whole new plant from just one tiny cutting. It's like plant cloning for beginners. And that's Red Velvet Coleus up close. A bright, beautiful plant that's easy to grow and fun to share. If you want a plant that brings instant color to your garden or your room, this one is a perfect pick. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.